reception and welcome to your second maths lesson. Now, we're back in our books again today and we're going to be working on page 3 and 4 today. We're still looking at numbers and counting, and on your first page, on page 3, it's your job to write down the missing numbers in each list. So you need to look very carefully where the number starts, count from the beginning, and then think which numbers need to be written in the boxes. Now, it might be a little bit tricky as you get up into the teen numbers, but hopefully you'll be sitting with an adult that can help you recognise the numbers and form the numbers. Now again, then going to move on to counting some frogs. So, like we practiced yesterday, use your counting finger and very carefully make sure you don't miss any. You've got to draw a line to the right number to match the frogs. Okay, and then when we finish that page, we're going to move on to number 4. So on this page, we're still looking at numbers and counting. So we're counting the circles in each box, and we need to tick the 2 boxes that have the same number. So that's an extra little task on that one. We'll move down to the bottom, and it says circle the right words below. So we're thinking about more and fewer. Are there more knives or are there more forks? Are there more girls? Are there more boys? Look very carefully and count and think about which number is bigger and which number is smaller. Now, as an extra little task for today, seeing as we have some knives and forks here, I'd like you with an adult to go into your kitchen and have a look at your knives and forks in your kitchen drawer. See if you can get them out and count how many of each one you've got. And then have a little think which we've got more of. Do we have more knives? Do we have more forks? Do we have more spoons? Which one have we got the least amount of? So really careful counting and thinking about that mathematical language. I hope you have fun, and I look forward to seeing lots of photos being sent into our reception email, and I will see you tomorrow for maths. If you're working in this blue maths activity book, then we're going to move on to number 2 today. We did number 1 yesterday. Hopefully you worked really hard practicing writing number 1. So today we're starting on number 2, and there's 2 pages of 2 here to work through. I hope you have lots of fun and work very hard. Thank you, and see you tomorrow for maths.